Hi everyone! Today I'm making my easy Balinsuso recipe, Bicol region suman. Let's prepare our ingredients. If you want to make this yourself, I've put a complete list of the ingredients and exactly where to get them on my Amazon storefront. The link is right down in the description. Bicol region Balinsuso, also commonly spelled as Balisungsong or Balisungsong, is a traditional Filipino steamed sweet rice cake delicacy from the Bicol region. It's a type of suman like Kakanin, rice-based snack or dessert, wrapped in cone-shaped banana leaves, often looking like little cones or horns, with a soft, sticky, chewy texture. For the ingredients, you'll need 1.5 cups rice flour, 1 cup glutinous rice flour, 1/2 teaspoon maple syrup or vanilla extract, 1.5 to 2 cups grated young coconut, 1 cup sugar, white or a mix of white and brown for deeper flavor. 1 to 1.5 cups coconut water, coconut milk or plain water, adjust for dough consistency. 1/4 teaspoon salt, optional to balance sweetness. Banana leaves, wilted over fire or hot water to make pliable. Cut into squares or rectangles for wrapping into cones. Prepare the banana leaves. Pass them quickly over an open flame or dip in hot water to soften and make them flexible without tearing. Cut into appropriate sizes about 8 to 10 inches and shape into cones or funnels by folding and securing. You can use toothpicks or just fold tightly. Mix the dough. In a large bowl, combine the rice, flour, sugar, salt, coconut milk or coconut cream, coconut water, maple syrup or vanilla extract, grated coconut, and mix everything until you get a thick, smooth, slightly sticky batter or dough, similar to puto or suman consistency, not too runny, not too dry. Fill the cones. Spoon the mixture into the prepared cone-shaped banana leaves, filling about 3/4 full to allow room for expansion. Fold the top to seal. Steam. Arrange the filled cones upright or on their sides in a steamer. Steam over medium heat for 30 to 45 minutes. Check one after 30 minutes. It's done when firm to the touch and no longer sticky or raw on the center. Serve. Let cool slightly. Unwrap and enjoy warm or at a room temperature. Often eaten plain or sometimes sprinkled with extra sugar or dipped in latik or coconut caramel, though Bicol region versions are usually simple. And that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Life with Mike and Angie for more easy recipes like this. Thanks for watching.